Welcome. Let's learn how to use the coffee machine. Fill the coffee bean dispenser with coffee beans. Insert the portafilter below the coffee bean grinder. Twist the portafilter to activate the grinder. Insert the portafilter below the hot water dispenser. Place your coffee mug below the portafilter. Press either the single or double shot button to activate the hot water dispenser. Fill the milk jug with the desired amount of milk. Place the milk jug below the milk steamer. Select the desired temperature and milk texture. Pull the handle to activate the milk steamer. All finished. Enjoy your deliciously frothy coffee. Machine status, OK. Chemical compound C8, H10, N4, O2, commonly referred to as caffeine.